In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. We'll begin by creating the foundation. On a Notion page, type /timeline and select Timeline New Database. This gives you a dedicated timeline view that functions like a Gantt chart, showing tasks as horizontal bars that span your selected dates. Before you start entering tasks, set up a few essential properties to keep your data reliable and easy to manage. First, confirm you have a name property for the task title. Add a date property and enable both start and end dates so each task can cover a range rather than a single day. Create a status property so you can track items as not started, in progress, or done. You can tailor the options and colors to match your workflow. Add an assignee property of type person to delegate ownership clearly. Finally, include a priority property using select with choices like low, medium, and high. With these in place, enter your tasks and fill out names, date ranges, status, assignees, and priority. This structure ensures your timeline stays both informative and filterable. Once your data is added, fine-tune the way it's displayed. Open the timeline settings and toggle Show Table if you want the task list visible alongside the bars. Seeing the table and the timeline together makes it easy to review details while watching how schedules line up. Next, adjust the timescale so the view matches your planning horizon. Use the timeframe selector to the left of the Today button and switch between days, weeks, months, or quarters. Short-term sprints are often clearer in weeks, while roadmaps and broader plans are easier to scan in months or quarters. If you keep start and end dates in separate properties, go to Layout. Find Timeline By and enable Use Separate Start and End Dates. This ensures each bar begins and ends exactly where you expect, based on the properties you've defined. To clarify task order, add dependencies. Hover over a task bar and drag the small dot that appears to another task. Notion draws an arrow to show the relationship, visually linking work that must follow something else. This helps you spot bottlenecks and plan handoffs with confidence. For larger initiatives, turn on sub-items in the database menu. Break big tasks into smaller, trackable pieces that live under a parent, keeping the main view tidy while preserving detail on the timeline. Finally, add a formula property for progress tracking. Calculate a percentage of completion based on sub-items or manual inputs so you have a quick, consistent readout of how far each task has moved. That's your Gantt chart system in Notion. Start planning. Keep your properties consistent and let the timeline do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.